Hey guys, welcome back to the Day Daily. So today I have my friend Peyton here again.
Hi.
And today you're probably wondering, why are we outside and why do we have this big bucket and towels, because we're sitting on towels. And yeah, you're probably wondering that. And I will tell you why. We are going to be tie-dyeing Day Daily shirts. So here are the Day Daily shirts. So first of all, we are going to show you what you'll need to do this. And if you want a Day Daily t-shirt, I will link it down in the description box below where you can get these because these are so comfortable and awesome.
Yes.
So here's what you'll need. A shirt, Day Daily t-shirts, or just white shirts. Gloves.
Yes. If you don't want your hands to be the color that you choose for your
Yes, gloves.
Bags.
Because once you're done, you're gonna need to let it set for a few hours, so you need bags.
Water.
And you will also need blue dye. We chose light blue and dark blue. I also forgot you will need rubber bands. We just have these ones. These ones look perfect. So we are going to fill our bucket up with water.
I'm gonna take one last sip.
We're just gonna fill it up with some water. And then I'm gonna actually go grab more water bottles. Do you wanna start emptying those? I'll grab
Sure.
a few more. Just fill it up with water. So I just got 4 more water bottles. So we actually need like this much water in here. I'm gonna fill this up to about right here and with water, so just about right here, a quarter of the way, because we need to soak them in here and then we're gonna do them. And so I'm gonna fill it up a little bit more with the hose and then we will come back. So now, let's open up our Day Daily t-shirts. If you decide to get a Day Daily t-shirt, this is what it'll look like in the package.
And then these are what it'll look like if you don't tie-dye them.
And if you can see that. It's okay. So you can also, there's a medium, small, extra small, large, and yeah. So yep, here they are. So we are going to stick them in the water. Here we go. It's gonna be very cold. I'm just gonna get my gloves on really quick here, just like this. We just have black ones. Any type will work. These are just the ones that we had. And we have a bunch of them, so.
Ooh. Is it cold?
A little bit. All right.
Oh,
It's not that cold. So I'm just soaking this whole thing in water like this, and then I'm gonna wring it out.
And now it's my turn.
Go on. I'm just still wringing it out. What here?
Oh, that feels so weird.
I know. It's in water, but you can't even feel it at first.
I know.
So if you do this, I recommend having it outside somewhere on the grass unless your parents let you, but I rather do it in here. And I get a big bucket because then you won't get it everywhere. And lay towels that you don't care about and wear clothes that you don't care about, that you don't care to get dirty.
Now I'm gonna wring it out.
So we're just wringing this out really good. So Peyton's gonna wring it out and then I'm gonna remove the bucket and then we'll show you how we're gonna twist ours. Alrighty, so now we're gonna take our t-shirts and we're going to lay them out.
Oh, they feel so weird.
I know.
Well, especially with gloves on.
Yeah. Alright, so next we have these laid out. Now you want to lay it out pretty flat if you can. Then you're gonna twist it how you want. We're just gonna do the original twist. So how you do that, if you don't know, is you pinch the middle and you just twist it.
It's not working.
And twist it. Then you kind of just wanna push it together, just like this. Then you're going to take your rubber bands. Where did they go?
Is this good?
Yeah. And then you're gonna do it in as many sections as you want. You're just going to take your shirt and you're just going to lift it one end up and rubber band it how you want. I like to first do it in like a T, like this.
And then I'm just gonna,
Yeah. And then you can do it as many times as you want. I have 6 little spaces.
oh, this is gonna be so cute.
I know.
And
So
we
and
need
then
to
you
wear
can
this
adjust it how you want it once you get it on. So just like this, I have.
Oh, my swirl's on the side.
What do you mean? Look, that's okay. It'll still be cool. I'm just going to do it like this. Like this. All right. Next.
4, 5, 6 columns.
6 columns. So it'll just look like this. And it doesn't matter how you do it.
Yeah.
So next, you're going to take your food coloring. So you're going to take your water bottle. You have a little bit too much, so she's gonna pour it in another water bottle for me.
Tell me when to stop.
No, need more. We can get more from the bucket if we need to. That's good. All right, so that we have just about this much.
I don't have another one.
Oh, we're gonna get another one filled up. So you just want to have 2 if you're doing 2 colors, filled with water about this much. Okay, so now we have these filled.
I kind of already started.
That's okay. So next what you're going to do is you're gonna take your food coloring. We just have this American color, and it's just this light blue. And we also have dark blue.
Hers faded.
Yeah, so you wanna add quite a bit of food coloring because if you don't do enough,
It'll fade and you can't really
it'll
see
fade.
it as well.
Yeah, it'll fade and you can't see the color as well because once you put it in the dryer and over time, it'll just do that. And then you're just going to shake it up. Make
And
sure
it'll
your lid
look
is
really darker than you think.
yeah, it'll look darker because
like this is dark blue and it looks like black.
and this is light blue. But because on the white, it'll bleed a little bit. And so, yeah.
And you want to shake it up really well just to get all that color. Wait, let's.
Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit more color to my light blue.
Should I or no?
I don't care. I just want to have a lot so that you have enough for my color. Again, you want to add in quite a bit, so that's what we are doing. All right, I just put in another little
I
drop.
think this is gonna be good. Might be a little bit too much.
Looks good. All right, so we're gonna shake these up really well, and we will be right back. Okay, so next you're gonna need these pins that are a little bit sharp. You have your parents help you with this part because you're gonna need sharp. There's yours. Next, you're gonna take your water bottle and you're gonna poke a hole in it. And we're gonna poke a hole really quick, just like this. We're just gonna kind of wiggle it around, make it a little bit bigger. And I'm gonna also make a second hole right next to it. And it really is pretty easy. You just need to push it in where you want it. So I'm gonna do right here. And you just push it in and kind of wiggle it. And there's holes in there. It's kind of hard to tell, but yeah. All right, are you ready, Peyton?
You didn't do your other color.
It's fine, I'll just use yours if there's leftover. If we need to, we can add more. All right, so next, we are going to take our sections and we're just going to add the color on. Ooh, this works perfect, you guys.
Yeah.
What about the towel? It doesn't matter. This towel, we never use these towels.
Oh, and you gotta get the back too.
Yeah, so once you get one side, you need to get the back of that section.
And it's okay if you get like across the line.
Yeah, it's okay if it bleeds. It'll bleed anyway. So you just want to get.
I'm gonna try to do a lot
Yeah, just so. And you want to do quite a bit, otherwise your color won't show up. Just like that. Now I'm going to do another section, and I'm going to do light blue, dark blue, light blue, dark blue.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Right now I'm doing light blue.
Right now I'm doing the dark.
All right, so there's that one, and then I'm gonna skip this section and do this one. And make sure you kind of get the sides too, just for a better result. I forgot to get the sides on these. All right, now I'm gonna use the dark blue.
This is fun.
Yes, it is.
Now we're not bored. And this is a great thing to do when you are bored.
In quarantine as well. If you are in quarantine and you don't have any idea what to do, this is a great idea to do.
We were just barely bored.
Yeah, we didn't know what to do because we were like, we should hang out. And then we were like, well, what do we do? And we thought of tie-dye, so we're doing it. So you have to ask for permission first. We asked my mom. Also, these are household stuff. Food coloring, I'm pretty sure you have. Water bottles, or these are just really cheap stuff if you don't have them. So it's really easy to get these materials.
And especially if you go shopping, you don't even have to buy bags.
So I just added some more blue, and I'm just shaking it.
And then I'm gonna wait till she's done using that, so then I can use a little bit more dark.
And then I'm just gonna use your pin, and then you poke it where you want it. Poke. I just did 3 little holes. Like that.
It's gonna be so pretty.
And boom. Make sure you get all sides really, really well.
Yeah.
And see how it gets all over? And I would do it outside because it's bleeding through a little bit, so.
Yeah, look, it'll definitely fade. Mine's kind of fading a little bit.
So yeah, we are gonna add a little bit more to our shirts and make sure it looks perfect, and then we will show you what to do next. Alrighty, you guys. So we finished. It almost looks purple. It's really cool. So now, this is the hard part. Now we have to wait for 8 whole hours. We have to wait 8 hours. This is not gonna be fun.
I hate waiting. I am so not patient.
I know. So we will see you in 8 hours. Possibly tomorrow. So yeah. I think if you want to keep the color in for, like, if you want to have the color really well show up, then you want to leave it for longer. We just did 8 hours because we watched a video on how to do it. And that's what the video told us to do. So
She left hers for a little bit longer though.
yeah, that's okay. But yeah, so we will see you in 8 long hours. Sorry about this, guys. We forgot one important thing. Putting them in bags.
Yeah.
So, oh, your hands.
It's fine.
So
They're
we're gonna take this and just stick it in there.
And then we're going to grab another bag and put it.
Well, first we're gonna tie it. So just tie these up really well. Like this. And then we take this bag and put it in another bag.
Okay, so we can each do 3 bags.
Yep. And then we'll take this bag and put it in another bag.
Yeah, just in case.
Just in case, because we don't want it to bleed through. Just like this. Here are the bags, and we'll just let it sit for 8 hours. So, bye! We'll see you in 8 long hours. We finally waited patiently for our
It hasn't been 8 hours though.
Well, it's okay. I don't think it needs to be quite that long, but
Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead
I'm
and
gonna open it in here.
Yeah.
Just in case. And then the second bag. Jeez, there's a lot of bags.
So this one's mine.
Okay,
I think it turned out really well. So my hands are already this blue. That's great.
here are our things. So now we're going to take the rubber band off.
Oh, this is the best part.
Yep. Don't.
Oh my
OMG.
gosh. This is so cute.
Let me see mine.
OMG, you guys.
I love. OMG, guys, look at these.
They are so pretty.
So now we're gonna wash them down. So.
Oh my gosh, guys, I love this.
So we need to wash them out.
You're so cute.
It's so pretty.
So,
Oh my gosh.
So that is how it faded. Oh, it's like purple now.
It's kind of cool though.
So this is what it looks like before, and then you'll look at hers and it faded a lot, which is okay because it's still really pretty. So here it is. So now, okay, now it's my turn. Hold up.
So now we're gonna do paintings, and then we're gonna put these in the dryer, and then we'll be back and show you. So here are the shirts. They look so cute.
I love them.
Me too. So cute. Anyways, you guys, here are the shirts. They look awesome. I love them. I did too. So I'm out of breath. We're like, bye guys.
Yeah.
Just in case. Oh, we didn't want it to pour. Okay,
I think it turned out really well.
Okay, let's. In those cases. Ew! I'm trying. See, I'm just drawing. She's now over there pouting. You know. Yeah, she's so strong.
Sorry. I'm sorry. Can I get it?
Are you okay?
Sorry.
We're still filming, I forgot.